Yeah, you read the title correctly. I do think it's okay to play sloppily sometimes. And no, I don't mean Machine Gun Kelly at the Music Awards sloppy. This is a conversation all about precision versus emotion, and welcome to Music with Marky. At the end of this, I'm going to play the same piece of music in two different ways. And no, I'm not here to advocate one style of playing over the other. This is just what I think is kind of an important conversation that's gotten lost in this world of YouTube and Instagram guitar shredders. You see, as guitar players playing on YouTube and Instagram, we're in this insular kind of world where we're only really interacting with other guitar players, and we get in this habit of playing things that impress people that are learning the instrument, and we forget about just writing music and playing stuff that connects with every listener. We're chasing metronome speeds, and we've turned guitar playing into a sport. And yeah, that has its place, and it even has its place in full-blown songs that you want to listen to that maybe have vocals on them. But what I'm trying to say here is that not every application of shred or speed playing is proper when it's played with that kind of precision. There are emotions that are not conveyed when you play in that manner. And I'm not talking about playing fast versus playing slow, using bends, that kind of thing. I'm talking about what I call emotional speed versus precision speed, and this kind of playing that represents a certain kind of emotion, sloppy, out of control emotions, anger and frustration. And when you play, and it's almost out of control in the same way that those emotions are. If your music is about a feeling of anger or frustration, perfectly placed sextuplets are not going to tell that story very well. Let me take 30 seconds out of a song I wrote here, which was very much about a feeling of upset and frustration. And the first time through, I'm going to play the lead very precisely with extremely clearly picked notes and what you would call precision shred. Okay, maybe you think that's cool. Guitar players definitely appreciate something that's performed well and played technically correctly, but I think this was like a suit and tie version of something that is really about emotions that run over and get out of control. Let's listen to the version of it that I actually went with. Now, from a technical standpoint, that last one was a little bit sloppy. It was a bit out of control. I was basically tremolo picking with my right hand as my left hand tried to keep up. And it ran, as I said, a bit out of control, as were the emotions in the music I was trying to convey. And when you listen to music, however, are you there to nod and give a score to the accuracy of the performance? Or are you hoping that you feel something and it moves you in a certain way when you listen to it? And yeah, there's a time and a place for precision playing in a song when something needs to be cleanly and clearly stated. When a dude in tux is the way to go, then perfectly executed arpeggios go along with it.
Bond. James Bond.
But if you're writing about throwing furniture out a window right after a breakup, you might want to consider letting your hands go and see where it takes you. So let me know if you agree or if you think I'm totally full of Either way, I'll get back to you with hopefully something at least somewhat pithy. And until next time, guys, keep making great music. Hey friends, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. It makes the whole world better.